Hello friends, this is Mohit from Illusion Everywhere. Today we are going to learn how to give your image the cartoon effect using Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your image and then make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. And then select the subject using Quick Selection tool. If there is an extra area selected other than the subject, hold the Alt key and then drag the selection into the subject. After selecting the subject, add a layer mask to it and then right click on the mask and then select Refine Mask and select the value of View as On Black and then adjust the value of the radius and then click on OK. Now select the background and then add a solid color. Now select the pen tool and make sure the value over here is set to shape and then select whatever color you want, and in the strokes option select no color. Then click outside the document and then click inside the document and drag, and then again click and drag, and then again click and drag. After doing like this, press enter and then select the 3 layers and then right click on them and select convert to smart object. Again right click on the layer 1 and then select rasterize layer. Now make 2 copies of layer 1 by pressing Ctrl or Command J. And then select layer 1, then go to filter and then select filter gallery. Then select poster edges and enter the values over here as 0, 0 and 2 and then click on OK. Then again go to filters, then go to sharpen and select unsharpen mask and enter the values as 90, 5 and 10. Then click on OK. Now again go to filter, then go to oil paint and enter the values as 4, 3, 0.1 and remaining all 3 values as 0, 0, 0. Then click on OK. And again go to filters, then go to sharpen and select unsharpen mask and enter the values as 60, 5 and 5. Then click on OK. Now unhide the layer 1 copy and select it and then go to filters and select filter gallery and select poster edges and enter the values as 0, 3 and 6 and click on OK. Then again go to filters and select oil paint and leave the values as it is and click on OK and change the blend mode to overlay and reduce its opacity to 25%. Then unhide the layer 1 copy to and select it, then go to filters and then select other and select high pass and leave the value as 1.5 and click on OK and change the blend mode to overlay. Now add some adjustment layers to it. After adding adjustment layers, select the layers, then right click on them and select convert to smart object. Now again go to filters, then select oil paint and enter the values as follows. And then click on OK. In this way, you can give a cartoon effect to your image. This is before applying the cartoon effect and this is after applying the cartoon effect.